Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga Allah selalu memberikan keadaan sehat walafiat pada kita semua. Dear students, welcome to the second session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about things in the office, basic writing mechanics, and descriptive paragraph. You can find this week's topic in Module 2, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify vocabulary related to things around the office. Write a simple descriptive paragraph, describe a place in English, of course, and implement the basic writing mechanics. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum too. Good luck, students. I hope you always active in discussions. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.